Bended elbow splinting closed fracture. This technique is used to immobilize a closed fracture of the bended elbow. This is a two-man technique that requires the use of one padded splint and four narrow cravats. The second rescuer serves to stabilize the affected limb, while the first rescuer applies the splint and the sling. Step 1. Check the pulse, motor reflex, and sensation. Step 2. The second rescuer maintains the stability of the injured limb. Step 3. Insert the first narrow cravat vertically with the apex placed on the space opposite the elbow. One end wraps around the forearm and the other end wraps around the arm. Step 4. Pull together two ends to make a square knot in between the arm and the forearm and insert loose ends. Step 5. Given the appropriate size of the splint to be used, the first rescuer gently inserts the splint underneath the injured limb with the assistance of the second rescuer. Step 6. Insert the apex part of the second narrow cravat on the space between the arm and the forearm and pull out one end from the hole of the cravat. Step 7. One end wraps around the splint. Pull together two ends to make a square knot and insert loose ends. Make sure that the knot does not directly touch the skin. Step 8. Repeat steps 6 and 7 through inserting the third narrow cravat on the space fronting the side of the wrist. Step 9. Apply a cuff sling by placing the fourth narrow cravat diagonally with the apex on top of the forearm. Step 10. Check the pulse, motor reflex, and sensation. You have just seen the 10 steps of splinting bended elbow with closed fracture.